So after drawing this length and this length, so what I will do, I need to cut this into two parts. So for height we have 10 centimeter and we need to cut it into two parts. So it means one will be 5 and one will be 5. So I will take the ruler from 0 till 5. I will put a center mark and I have to put my scale or ruler. Then from here till this line I need to do this dotted line. And when I reach this point, I have to draw a straight line like this. Then I have to connect this part and I have to connect this part. And I have to write here, this length is 5 centimeter, this length is this height is 5 centimeter, this height is 5 centimeter, this length is 22 and the other is 28. After doing this, we need to do the working. Area 1 plus area 2 to find the final area. Area 1, the height is 5 centimeter and the length is 22 centimeter. Plus area 2, height is 5 centimeter and the length is 28. After that, we need to multiply. The first one, we can get the answer 110 centimeter square, because centimeter multiplied by centimeter, centimeter square. 2 centimeter, it means we can write it as square. Then 5 to 8 times 8, 140 centimeter square. Then after that we need to add. Then we get 250 centimeter, which is the required area. So from this procedure, we can draw exactly the rectilinear shapes. You have to draw other shapes by yourself. You can take the height, like I take 28 one, you can take it 30 or you can take it 24 according to your choice. But you need to add like first length must be bigger than the second length, but the height will be same for both. So this is how you can draw the rectilinear shapes. After this work is for 22nd April 2020. In this page 167, it looks like that. The topic is 10B, estimating area of irregular shapes by counting squares. Here you need to do, they said, discover on the squared paper below, draw around your open hand, count the squares to find the area. What you need to do, you have to put your hand and you have to do like this. You need to draw your hand, open hand. Okay, like I did it in this diagram. And after doing this, what you need to do, you need to find the area. Like I told you before, for area we need to count all the squares, and one square is 1 centimeter. So full square, I will start counting with the full square because some have half. So I will not count these half ones. I will not count these half ones first. I will start counting with the full one. Like this, I did 1. This is full 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the full blocks I counted, and I got the answer till 87. Okay, and after counting the full blocks, I need to count the half one also. So for counting the half, I will take it as 2 half 1 square. It means 2 half squares make 1 full. See this one and this one. This is half and this is the other part that is cut. So we can consider it as 1. And here inside this 1 and this half. This 1 and this half is 1. And this half and this part is 1. So half, 2 half or quarter half, if it is half quarter left, so we can take from the other side. So like this we can consider it as 1. So by the way, I get it like 101. You have to count it, that how much is the area of your hand. After counting the area, we need to find the length of the hand. For finding the length of the hand, we know that this finger is the biggest one in our hand. So we will take the ruler and we will put at the center of that finger. We will put it here, our ruler. From here till at the end of the round, at the end of your hand, not the arm, at the end of your hand. You need to check how much it is. So for me it is 16.5 or something. Okay, 16.5. So you need to check it, and after checking it you have to do at page number 168, which looks like that. For this work is for 23rd April 2020. Here you need to find 15 different persons' hands length. These days you can't go somewhere or out to find it. So you can't shake hands as all we know because of the virus. So you can take, like, you can measure your mom or your little ones, sister or brother or your father. So you can take 2 measurement only. No need for 15, just take 2 measurement. Write here the name, friend's name or father name or mother name, and the other person name. After that you need to find the area of their hand, and you can use the grid paper like we did here. This one grid paper, you can use this paper to find the area. And then you have to write here the first person's, the second person, and then you need to find the length of the hand, first person and the second person. So first person write here, the second person you can write here, because no need to find for 15. As we all know, we are facing some problem. So this is the end of the video number 6, the outcomes of the video 165 to 168 page. This you have to do at classwork. By the way, the homework for 20th April is worksheet page number 55. 21st April is for 166 last 2 questions. Okay, that I told you, like finding the area of 125 centimeter and area of 360 centimeter squares in 166 page. You can see the page at my video also. And for 22nd April worksheet page number 56, and for 23rd April 168 page last questions. It means that these questions, yeah, this one, you need to find these person 1 and the person 2. That's it. So practice well. Have a nice day. Thank you all.